Hey guys, are you free tonight? Let's make a game session.
Yeah, I'm free too. I'm totally up for it.
Same here. I think we need some fun.
Great. I was thinking we could start with NBA. How about it?
I'm not really favorite it because I don't enjoy basketball game.
I have to disagree as well. I think NBAs get boring for me.
Okay then. Then what do you guys prefer still?
I think Minecraft it will be better. It gets exciting.
I totally agree with Brian. Minecraft is fun.
I understand, but I'm not convinced. It gets intense sometimes.
It makes sense. We should choose more something relaxed.
How about Mobile Legends? It's competitive but not stressful.
Now that we can agree with, Mobile Legends is perfect.
Same here. I support that idea.
Great. Then Mobile Legends can be our starting game.
And after that, we can try another game.
Yeah, maybe later we can try Minecraft. But if only you are okay with it.
Yeah, sure. It's flexible for all of us.
Alright, I'm set already. I'll bring some snack.
Nice. I'll bring some drinks.
Alright. This Saturday is going to be fun. Ba, 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 ba.